Good morning BBPNs, how are you all? All fine, stay home, be safe children. Now class 5th, in previous class we discussed topic that is mixed fraction or improper fraction. All of you understood mixed fraction and improper fraction. In today's class we discuss how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. In previous class we also discussed, but in this class we discuss by practically. So see here we solve many examples. Now see here children. First example, convert the following into mixed numerals. Now see, this is improper. Now how we convert into improper mixed fraction? This is improper, we convert into mixed. Now see children, this is 15 by 4. How we convert? First of all, in rough column we divide 4, 15. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Clear children? Now see, understand? This is divisor. Clear children? Clear? Divisor is here. Now we write divisor here. Clear? Now this is quotient and this is remainder. Clear? Quotient is 3 and remainder is also 3. Clear children? Now this is, first of all you write the form, this you divide 15 by 4. Understand children? Now see, we cross check this is correct or not. How we cross check children? See, this multiply this plus this. First of all we multiply 3, 4 multiply 3 plus 3. Now see, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 equals to 15 and 4 is denominator. Clear children? Understand? Now you also do children, if remainder is left, we write remainder at the numerator. Clear children? If remainder is left here, we write numerator at the place of numerator. Clear children? Now second, you do at home. Yeah, we solve this at this time. Now see, this also. First of all, we divide 16 by 3. Now speak. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Clear children? 1 is remainder. Now see, remainder goes up. Okay. Now this is divisor down and quotient is here. Now we multiply 3 multiply 5 plus 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Clear children? All of you understood? Now you do this in your notebook. How you do children? Now see, proper correct form write down in your notebook. Now see, equals to formula denominator divisor quotient divisor remainder. Clear? We divide rough column, divisor is 4, quotient is 3, this is 3. Now we cross check. How we cross check? Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 3, quotient is 3, divisor is 4, remainder is 3. So correct answer is 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15 divided 4. This is cross check. So हमारा answer is, this is mixed fraction. We cross check this. Okay? Clear children? Now you also do the same as this. Quotient remainder dividend equals to 3 5 1. Okay children, solve in rough copy or rough column. Okay, now cross check. Question multiply divisor plus remainder. So quotient is 3, quotient is 5. Clear children? Now see second one, convert the following into improper fraction. In this we convert improper into mixed. Now in this we convert mixed into improper. Clear children? Now see, we in here we use formula. Understand? Which formula? This formula. Clear children? Now see, quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Here is quotient is 5 multiply. Children, I think 5 is correct. Say yes, 5 is correct. Now divisor 15. Clear children? Plus 11. You think about that कि 15 is bigger and 5 is smaller. So when we multiply, write down 15 at first, then we write 5. Clear children? Clear? Now see, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. So 75 plus 11. Now see, 75 plus 11 children, 5 1 6, 7 1 8. So 86 upon 15 answer. We get improper fraction 86 upon 15. Clear children? Now second, do it yourself. Clear children? Clear, all of you understood? Now we discuss our next topic. Clear? Then our next topic, fraction on number line. Now see, we draw fraction on number line. Yes, we draw fraction on number line. Maybe possible? Yes, we can solve it. Now see, we get example 2. Clear children? Now see children, 2, okay, and 3. We get a half of 2 plus 1 by 2. ठीक है, हमें 2 से लेकर 3 के बीच का नंबर 1 by 2 हमको नंबर लाइन पे शो करना है. दैट इज हमको ये नंबर लाइन पे शो करना है. वो हम कैसे करेंगे? नाउ सी, अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ सी, स्टार्ट, मेक अ सिंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, नाउ सी 0. नाउ वी starting number 1, 2, 3, 4 and we get a name. जैसे 1 नंबर को हमने A दे दिया, इसको B दे दिया, C दे दिया एंड क्लियर. नाउ हमको क्या नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है? 2 plus 1 by 2. नाउ सी 2 किस कौन से पॉइंट पे है? B पॉइंट पे. ठीक है, B पॉइंट पे 2 है हमारा. नाउ 3 किस पे है? C पॉइंट पे. नाउ अब इन दोनों के बीच में हमको क्या ढूंढना है? 2 plus 1 by 2. नाउ सी, half this. Half this line children. Half this line. So 2 से ज्यादा, 3 से कम, that is half. Understand? Understand children? 2 से ज्यादा, 3 से कम, that is half. So this is 2 plus 1 by 2. This number is 2 plus 1 by 2 children. आपको समझ में आया? समझ में आया? वेरी गुड. समझ में आया? Understand children? Children, in previous question we discussed example 2 plus 1 by 2. Now in this we solve next example. See, show the position of 4 plus 3 by 4 on a number line. Now how can we show it is possible? Yes, it is possible. First of all we draw a straight line. Clear? 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. We also names, write down A, B, C, D and E. Clear children? Now at the what we क्या करना है हमको 3 by 4 मतलब 4 से ज़्यादा and 5 से कम, तो D is greater than E and E is smaller than D, means 4 से ज़्यादा 5 से कम. Now in previous example we discussed just half, that is 1 by 2. हमने क्या देखा था? just half 1 by 2 देखा था. Now just half of 1 by 2 we get 1 by 4. 1 by 2 का just half we get 1 by 4. हमको 1 by 4 मिला, तो 1 by 2 is smaller than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 छोटा है ना 1 by 2 से. Now what we can find? We can find 3 by 4. 1 by 2 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 से ज़्यादा है 3 by 4, तो हमें ग्रेटर की साइड में मिलेगा. जस्ट हाफ ऑफ 1 by 2 and 5, that is 3 by 4. ठीक है. 1 by 2 जस्ट हाफ ऑफ 3 by 4. 1 by 2 का हाफ कर दिया, क्या मिला हमको? 3 by 4. ये हमने ग्रेटर की साइड में किया, इसलिए 3 by 4 ग्रेटर है, और 1 by 4 हमने स्मॉलर की साइड किया, तो ये क्या है? 1 by 4 क्या है? स्मॉलर है. सो व्हाट वी कैन फाइंड? 4 plus 3 by 4. वी आल्सो गेट 4 plus 3 by 4. Children, there are lots of examples we have done on a number line. That is, maybe आपको कोई और भी क्वेश्चन दे देगी, फाइंड 3 plus 1 by 4. How can we find? Yes, take a point C and D. Just half, that is 1 by 2, and just half of 1 by 2 is that is 1 by 4 at a smaller side. आपको 1 by 4 मिल जाएगा. So all of you understood? आप लोगों को समझ में आया? समझ में आया children? Now in understand fraction on number line, in revise today's topic. That what we teach mixed fraction and improper fraction conversions. Now we discuss fraction on a number line. So do practice at home children, and in next class we discuss exercise of chapter number 6. Till then, bye student, do practice at home. Take rest, be safe children.